Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Deepseek, Grok and Vscode. When comparing Deepseek, Grok and Vscode, it's important to understand that they serve different roles in the coding process. Deepseek is an AI tool built to help developers write and understand code faster. It can generate functions, fix errors, and explain code in simple terms, making it great for productivity. Grok, developed by xAI, is another AI assistant focused on helping users understand and interact with data and code. It's designed to be fast and context-aware, offering smart suggestions and explanations, especially useful within large code bases or data-heavy projects. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is not an AI tool but a full-featured code editor. It's lightweight, highly customizable, and supports extensions including AI ones like GitHub Copilot or integrating Deepseek and Grok. It's where developers actually write, test, and debugging their code. In my opinion, VS Code is essential as your main editor. If you want a smart AI help, Deepseek is great for coding assistance, while Grok is helpful if you're working with data or complex logic. For the best experience, using AI tools inside VS Code gives you both power and flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.